Question number 2. An object is launched upwards with an initial velocity u at an angle theta to the horizontal. So what is this actually? Projectile motion. This is your projectile motion. This is your initial velocity. This is your angle theta. Okay. Air resistance is negligible. Okay, y-axis. At a later time, the object has a vertical displacement of 0. At a later time, the object has a vertical displacement of 0. What do you mean by vertical displacement? It starts from here and it falls down here at this point. The vertical displacement along y-axis is 0. Okay, that means it has reached the ground. That's what it tells you. What are the horizontal component of the velocity and the vertical component of the velocity at this instant, at the later instance? Okay, at this point, what is the horizontal and what is the vertical component? Horizontal component will not change. See here, if it is u cos theta, here also u cos theta, here also u cos theta, here also it will be u cos theta only. Okay, so therefore u cos theta is the answer. So these two goes off over here. This two goes off over here, and then what happens? What is the horizontal component and the vertical component? What is the vertical component? See, the velocity at this instant would be like this over here. So therefore, now if this is u cos theta, this should be u sin theta. Okay, if this is u sin theta, then what is this called as? Negative u sin theta, because anything which goes upwards is positive, everything that goes downwards is negative. So therefore, it's minus u sin theta. Thus the correct answer is u cos theta minus u sin theta. Answer is B.